That's just my baby dog. 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 That's just my baby dog.
Baratua. Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Mishlo Mama Unka. So on this video I just want to tell you a little bit about my dogs. So this big black guy over there, his name is King. Yeah, he loves rides. He loves traveling kakoloi a lot. And then people are afraid to come close to my window or to my car. It's very cute. He's actually the youngest of all our 7 dogs at home. That's him when he was a baby, and then it's him and Ungarabile. Gosh, every puppy that comes home is loved, and I just show it it's comfortable, yeah. But anyway, so this is King and his puppies. He had puppies with our Burbul Diana, but Diana is unable to give birth anymore. So none of our female dogs are able to give birth. But yeah, I actually want a pure breed female Rottweiler. King is lonely, guys. Anyway, a few weeks ago I posted on my WhatsApp channel, listen to me saying WhatsApp channel, on my WhatsApp status, advertising puppies. So there's a friend of my dad, Dade Nhlapo, who breeds dogs. He was selling puppies, so he asked me Kimotuse. Then these are the 2 puppies. This is the second order that we got. I just want to show you how we get prepared to just deliver the dogs once we have them and once we have the payment. So these 2 puppies over here, it's a male and a female. You see this one twitching here? It's the female. She dreams a lot, this one. She barks in her dream, and then she twitches like that, as if I think she's dreaming Amata or something. She's probably running in her dream. Then the other one facing that way is the male. Garabile named them Jasmine and Aladdin. The reason she called them Jasmine and Aladdin is because I had a puppy that my friend bought me. My friend bought me a puppy. It's a Yorkshire Terrier. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, these are the puppies that we have. So oh my goodness, my daughter loves animals. Unga loves animals. If it were up to her, we wouldn't just have a zoo in the house. She would want us to have the entire Kruger National Park, because wow.
Aladdin and Jasmine, Aladdin. I can tell the difference because she has lighter fur and then he has darker fur.
Oh, and he's bigger.
And also he likes
she's a lover for animals, and yeah. So here they're playing. So I'm trying to get Timu to also like animals. She likes them, ne? Mara from a distance. I had a mistake. She enjoys watching them play. She imitates them.
Aladdin is actually on the floor.
Hello, Momo. Look.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's watching them as they play, but they must just not touch her.
Woo!
That's good you know that we have puppies.
I told them.
Kari.
Yeah.
Malume.
It's Hello.
It's her.
Hello. Yes, Momo.
Papa. Rena. Palame Aladdin.
Ba? Mama. Haka kratching. Hello.
Hi.
Oh.
Mama, but no brush.
Hey.
Aladdin.
Hello, Bonji.
And he has a more grouchier face. Like.
Hey.
Hello. Hello. You see?
Hey. Babatlene. Babatlene.
Yeah. Puppy's nipples are not that hard. Look at these teeth.
Okay, so we are about to leave with these little guys. So it's a male and a female. This is the female. Unkarabile named her Jasmine. Yes, Jasmine. And then the male is Aladdin. Go look at that. Okay. Anyway, so I have this transport box that I'm gonna put them in, so they'll be sitting nicely in the transport box. They can fit. They can definitely fit in here. Bali too. They'll be sitting right there. Here. Hello, boo boo. And then the owner will have that packet with her. Yeah, I'm so happy. Rena supported us. She bought both the dogs, so she'll be getting that packet of food, 27% protein. This is strictly for a puppy, large breed puppy. Né? Yeah, so and then we got her these two toys. Yeah, they've been playing with this one a lot. They seem to like this one. And then that little bone over there so that they don't fight. So this one, this was mine. So remember, my friend Zabing bought me a Yorkshire Terrier. So shame. Unfortunately, someone stole it. You know what? Yeah, someone took it. So I'm gonna donate this to Rena. Both of them can fit in there. You know, it's nice and squishy. Yeah, so they'll have that just as a small and starter pack, you know, until they are able to get them nice things. But this one is mine. I just use it to transport our puppies, our dogs. Yeah, our Jack Russells can fit in here. So yeah, that's it. All right, time to go with these little guys. These little guys, you see, here's the female, and there's Aladdin is the male, and then Jasmine is the female. Okay, so this one keeps coming back here. They need to go. It's time to go, baby. Chloe, come. Again. Come, baby. Go in, go in, go in. Chloe, come here. Hey. Hello, baby. Come. And then, so they're both in there. Hey, stop kicking the door, bruh. Great. All right. So nicely secured there. I forgot to put these in here. So I'll give them their toys to nibble on. There's the second one. And then we close it up. And then off we go. So let me take this. And we take this. And we take... Oh, this is so heavy. So, okay. So here they are, little babies. Hey. Hey, you guys. Yeah. So I drove all the way from Val home to East Rand, where Rena stays. Hi. This is our new owner, guys. This little guy was so happy, so excited to see me. This is the and owner. Because he knew that I came bearing gifts. Can I get a hug? You know, he was so excited. Fine. What's your name? Lizard. Yeah. Lizard. Yes. You want to see your pups? Yes. Here they are. Aww. Yes. Let's take them out.
What?
Emma Hanyan Eriki said Stulumra. Here they are. They are so grumpy. Oh, shit. They didn't like the ride, Nje. Oh. Say hi. Hello. Come, baby.
They don't even want to come
hey.
out.
Come. Come. Dilela o kwalla ka mo. Hey, no. No.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, but
guys, my little guy was so happy, so excited. Like, you know what? Yeah. Yo, he was ecstatic, and I'm happy I could bring a smile. And mommy was also excited. Yay. So yeah, look at them with their new pups. So cute.
I know, thank you so much.
Yeah, he just couldn't wait. These are not my dogs. I have a Rottweiler, so I saw really big pup. So yes, it's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.